Welcome back to another Element Pack Pro tutorial. Today, we're exploring the Image Compare widget, a simple yet powerful tool that lets you display two images side by side with an interactive slider. It's perfect for showing before and after comparisons, design changes, product improvements, or photo edits. This widget helps visitors instantly see the difference between images, making your content more engaging and visually impactful. Let's see it in action. To get started, open the Elementor editor and use the search bar in the left-hand panel to find the Image Compare widget. Once it appears, drag and drop it onto your canvas. As soon as you place the widget, you'll see its default layout, which is ready to be customized. In the Content tab, the first section you'll see is Layout. From here, you can upload the before image and the after image. For the best visual result, it's recommended to use images with the same dimensions so the comparison looks clean and aligned. After that, you can choose the image resolution based on your needs. Just below, you'll also find options to edit the before label and after label text to clearly indicate what each image represents. In the Additional section, you'll find several options to refine how the comparison behaves. First, choose the orientation for the before and after images, either horizontal or vertical. Next, use the before image visibility slider to control how much of the first image is visible initially. Below that, you'll see a series of toggle options. The overlay toggle lets you turn the overlay color and the before and after labels on or off in the image. The on-hover option controls when the labels appear. Enable it to show them only when hovering over the image, or turn it off to keep them visible at all times. With the Slide on Hover toggle, the slider will move automatically when the cursor hovers over the image. The Add Circle in Bar option lets you add a circle at the center of the slider. When enabled, you'll also see two additional toggles that allow you to add a circle blur and circle shadow effect. Finally, the Smoothing toggle lets you turn the smoothing effect on or off. Once enabled, you can fine-tune it using the smoothing amount slider below. These were the basic customization options of the Image Compare widget. If you'd like to refine the design even further, head over to the Style tab. In this tab, you'll find a single section called Style, where you can adjust the visual appearance of the widget. To begin, you can set the overlay color, which becomes available because we enabled the overlay toggle earlier in the additional settings. This allows you to add a subtle color layer that enhances the overall visual presentation. Next, you'll notice three subtabs: Before, After, and Bar. Under the Before subtab, you can customize the appearance of the before label. Start by adjusting the background color and text color to match your design. After that, you can control the padding to create the right amount of space around the text. You can also modify the border radius to make the corners sharper or more rounded. Finally, you have the typography settings, where you can change the font style, size, weight, and other text properties. The After subtab provides the same set of customization options as the Before section. Here you can apply the same adjustments: background color, text color, padding, border radius, and typography to style the After label exactly the way you want. Finally, under the Bar subtab, you can customize the appearance of the comparison slider. Here, you can adjust the bar color, padding, border radius, and typography to create a clean, visually appealing slider design. Once you're satisfied with all your customizations, click the Publish button and preview your page to see the final result. And that's how you can easily use the Image Compare widget in Element Pack Pro to create engaging before and after comparisons. With its simple settings and flexible styling options, you can quickly highlight visual differences and make your content more interactive and appealing to your visitors. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest features and tools from Element Pack Pro. Thanks for watching.